Hi everyone, welcome to another Bitsy tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add or update a custom alias for your Bitsy link. Whether you want a more memorable link or need to change it for better branding, this feature has you covered. Let's dive in. Go to the Bitsy links page where all your created links are listed. Locate the Bitsy link you want to update with a custom alias. Next to your shortened link, you'll find the More Options icon to the far right. Click on it and you will be presented with more options about your shortened link. Click on the Edit Link button to open the Edit view. In the Edit view, you'll see an option to add or update the custom alias for your link. If your link was created without an alias, this is where you can add one. Enter your desired custom alias in the provided field. Remember, the alias should be unique and easy to remember. For example, if you're sharing a promotional link, you might use something like Pixel 9 Pro. Once you've entered your custom alias, click on the Update Bitsy Link button to apply the changes. Bitsy will now use this alias for your shortened URL. Your link is now updated with the new custom alias. This makes it easier for users to remember and can be more effective for branding and marketing purposes. You can now use your updated link with the custom alias in your social media posts, emails, or any other place you want to share it. The new alias will help your audience easily recognize and access your link. And that's all there is to it. Adding or updating a custom alias for your Bitsy link is simple and enhances your link's effectiveness. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bitsy tips and tricks. Have any questions or need assistance? Drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy linking with Bitsy.